Hey guys, Pierre Nadeau here from the Doe Real Estate Group and EXP Luxury, and today I have the pleasure of sharing one of the most amazing properties I've ever seen. So if you're a family that's looking to enjoy kayaking, the quieter things in life, you're gonna love Leo Lake. Swimming in a spring-fed lake is absolutely amazing. And if you're a discriminating buyer and you pay attention to the fine details, inside you will find the best quality that I've ever seen. Beautiful stone, you got stone outside, stone inside, heated floors. The finishes are the ultimate. You definitely have to come in and have a look at 6170 Highway 15, Leo Lake.
Silence is calling me to electric poles.